Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very short video. Harmattan is here and the skin tends to get very dry, and for those who naturally have dry skin, this period their skin tends to get drier and sometimes it even begins to crack. I have observed that people tend to rely on oils or heavy moisturizers to moisturize their skin during this period, and one of the most common oils people use is coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil is an amazing oil. It's fantastic, very moisturizing. It's a very good oil, but do not ever put coconut oil on your face. Coconut oil is a comedogenic oil. When they say an oil is comedogenic, it simply means that that oil has the tendency to block the pores, in the sense that when you put coconut oil on your face, it has the tendency to block your pores, and when your pores are blocked, what happens? You begin to break out, begin to have acne on your face. So coconut oil is good for the body but very bad for the face. There are a number of good oils out there that are very moisturizing and good for the skin, especially dry skin, and coconut oil happens to be one of those. But if you check the rating, the comedogenic rating of coconut oil, it has one of the highest comedogenic rating among all these oils, which means that its tendency to block the pores is very high. If you want to try this out, take like a small amount of coconut oil, place it here, pour it in a cup and leave in a very cold place in your house, maybe close to your AC. You'll notice that after some minutes or hours it begins to congeal. So imagine putting that kind of oil on your face and you're in a cold environment. It will definitely block your pores. Please, I beg you, my beautiful subscribers, do not put coconut oil on your face. It's good for your body, but please restrain from putting coconut oil on your face so that you don't experience breakouts due to the comedogenic nature of coconut oil. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now by clicking on the red button below. That's all you have to do. So thank you. See you next time.